Hey, so if LDPlayer gets stuck at 94% while loading, yeah, that's a pretty common issue, and luckily, it's usually fixable. I'll walk you through the steps that actually work. Alright, first, restart your computer. Then right-click LDPlayer and run it as administrator. Simple, but it can clear temporary glitches. Next, check if virtualization is enabled. Open Task Manager, go to the CPU tab, and look for virtualization status. If it's disabled, you'll need to turn it on in BIOS. Now open LDPlayer settings if you can access them, or use the multi-instance manager. Switch the graphics mode between OpenGL and DirectX. One of them usually fixes the loading issue. Okay, so this is a big one. Disable Hyper-V. Search for Windows features, open it, and uncheck Hyper-V and Virtual Machine Platform. Then restart your PC. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause the emulator to freeze during loading. If it's still stuck, open the multi-instance manager and try the repair option. Or delete and recreate the instance. Yeah, this resets any corrupted files. Last option, uninstall LDPlayer completely and reinstall the latest version from the official site. This usually fixes stubborn loading problems. So yeah, those are the best fixes if LDPlayer is stuck at 94%. Try them step by step and it should load normally again.